In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a rejected tax return in TurboTax and resubmit it successfully. First, open Google Chrome and sign in to your TurboTax account. Once you're logged in, go to your tax home screen. This is the main dashboard where TurboTax shows the current status of your return, including whether it has been accepted, is still pending, or has been rejected by the IRS or state tax agency. If your return was rejected, take a moment to carefully read the rejection message displayed on the screen. This message is important because it tells you exactly what needs to be corrected before you can file again. In many cases, the issue is something specific, such as an incorrect adjusted gross income, also called AGI, or a problem with your identity protection PIN, often known as an IP PIN. Reading the message closely can help you avoid making unnecessary changes and lets you focus only on the part of the return that caused the rejection. After reviewing the rejection reason, click the Fix My Return button. TurboTax will guide you directly to the section that needs attention. Follow the prompts on the screen and correct the error that was identified. Be careful when entering updated information, especially if the issue involves numbers taken from prior tax records or identity protection details. It's a good idea to double check what you type before moving forward, since even a small mismatch can cause another rejection. Once you've made the correction, continue through TurboTax until you return to the filing area. From there, go back to the file section again. This is where you'll review your filing steps and prepare to send the updated return. When everything looks complete, click Transmit Return Now to resubmit it. At this point, TurboTax will send your corrected return for processing again. After transmission, keep an eye on your account status so you can confirm whether the return has been accepted. It may take a little time for the system to update, so don't worry if you don't see a change immediately. That's all it takes to review a rejected return, fix the issue, and send it back through TurboTax. If you follow the rejection message carefully and enter the corrected information accurately, the resubmission process is usually quick and straightforward.